For the garden beds that I'm not using through the winter, there is few has some garlic on them, but the others I'm doing this dedicated compost pile, grabbing all the weeds that came up in the bed since the end of the summer, and then all the weeds around it, pile it in the top. I'm going to chop them down with the shovel and add wood chips on top of these and leave these to decompose over winter. Some people will cover it with plastic. I'm not sure if I want to do that. This bed now will stay like this through the winter until March, when we start our spring garden. If I see weeds coming back up in it, then I will cover it with plastic and leave it like so. But for now, this will decompose the wood chips, and all the weeds that's in there will decompose through the winter and add organic matters to the bed. Will not add any compost until 2 weeks or so before transplanting or putting seeds in. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe, like and share. Hit the bell, you get notified for future videos. And see you next time. God bless.